Hey everybody, I'm Alicia TV. I'm here with Dr. Ashley Mann. You're a dentist right here in Cary, North Carolina. How long have you been practicing dentistry?
Well, 10 years. Seems like yesterday. Just graduated from dental school.
UNC Chapel Hill even.
UNC Chapel Hill. I went there undergrad. I did for 4 years and then 4 years of dental school. And been in Cary for 40 years, almost 40
So you grew up here?
Yep, grew up here. Love it, stayed. So I'm very proud to have a practice here.
And you even got Business of the Year.
Cary gave us the Triangle Business of the Year.
That's
and,
fantastic.
It was a very humbling reward.
Well, let's talk a little bit about your practice, because I know you started out doing general dentistry. So what are some of the services that people are getting today?
Well, you know, we still do general dentistry because, in general, the reason why they say general dentistry, because you can do pretty much anything. The problem is dentistry has evolved, and more people are coming in and asking for certain things. And to make sure that I could give them that, you know, I had to go to advanced training after dental school.
So, like, for example, cavities. I know that you don't do silver. You're a non-metal practice. What does that mean?
Basically, non-metal practice means that we do not use any metal in our practice other than high noble metal, which is basically gold, or platinum. So those are the two metals, only metals that we use.
Or porcelain, that looks like your teeth,
but
right?
Porcelain is the majority of what we use, yeah. Porcelain and composite resin, which for little fillings is tooth-colored fillings.
But that's something that you can even do in one visit, right?
One visit. The CEREC technology has allowed us to deliver crowns, onlays in one visit. We don't have to put a temporary on the tooth.
You don't have to come multiple times to Dr. Mann's office,
right.
Like one visit, one shot.
One visit, no temporaries, and you don't have to come back for the second visit, which saves you time from having to come back in. Of course, temporaries, which fall off multiple times, can.
Yeah, we don't want to go there.
No, we don't want to. So it is a great technology, and we're proud to be able to deliver that to our
That's
patients.
awesome. You know, the last time I was here, there was a mother and daughter, and the little girl, she was probably about 2.5 years old,
Right.
and the mom said that she actually took her daughter out of the pediatric dentist and brought her here.
Right.
Is that something that you also work with little kids?
Yes, we enjoy working with little children. You know, I have 2 little ones at home. I have a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old. So I am very, let's say, getting very experienced at dealing with kids, and they're very special, and we try to get them off to a good start.
Right,
you know, the goal is to establish that foundation, how important it is to take good care of your teeth throughout your whole life. So we enjoy dealing with young kids, and you got to have patience.
Plus, they love it in here too.
Oh,
They've got Finding Nemo. They've got an amazing aquarium. You've got the waterfall. So
That's
you know
right.
all the features to make them really excited.
The aquarium is a big hit. Let me tell you.
It is.
Yeah, and so is the videos about teeth. We have one called Cary, and it's
Oh,
about a
wow.
dog whose first visit and things like that.
So what are some of the other services that you provide here?
Well, you know, one of the main things that people come in for is, you know, general cleanings, which is probably the #1 thing we do. But, you know, along the way we find things. But the other services that we like, and I have a concentration in advanced training, is cosmetic dentistry. And there's multiple facets to cosmetic dentistry.
So someone that might come in for a cleaning might walk out really wanting something like a 6-month smile, which I know you provide.
From teeth whitening, which is simple, to veneers, to 6-month smiles, which is basically orthodontic treatment in 6 months. Those type of things is what we offer to our patients. No prep veneers, which is a new concept as well, and crowns in general. You know, even crowns have to be cosmetic and look natural. You know,
Again,
so,
one visit though. I know you do one visit crowns.
One visit crowns, yeah. We have our own staining lab here, so like we can basically, if someone comes in and they're just getting one crown and it's a hard match, we can actually stain it instead of the lab sending it back and forth to the lab multiple times to get it right.
So a whole family really can come to your practice.
A whole family can come here and get whatever they need, and that was my goal when I first started my practice, and it has evolved, of course, because now we offer implants to our patients, actually placing the implants and restoring it. We offer dentures, over dentures, and even some bone grafting and things like that.
So little kids to grandparents.
To grandparents, that's right. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks.
For all your dentist needs right here in Cary, North Carolina, come see Dr. Mann.